9 o'clock in the morning, still dark outside. There's a storm coming, clouds blot out the sky. Leery of the lightning, wishing against the wind. These are the days where you work a little harder just to make it back home again. 'Cause it's one more day in the life of a guy who lives and dies by the weather. One more moment I find myself digging for all the grit I can gather. One more time I think if I'd stayed in school it would have been better. Sometimes what doesn't kill you just makes you bitter. Through a field of smoke, through a wall of sand, forced into the fires of some foreign land. Don't know why you're there, you only need to understand. Got your world on your back and a weapon in your hand. 'Cause it's one more day in the lives of those who live and die by weather. Some rich man has agreed, or politicians have a hidden agenda. One more time they tell you, no matter what happens, we're still the winners. Sometimes what doesn't kill you, anxiety and agony. Sometimes what doesn't kill you, futility and frailty. Sometimes what doesn't kill you, anger and apathy. Sometimes what doesn't kill you just makes you